Every kitchen has one powerful, very respected, and slightly dangerous item, the pressure cooker. It cooks fast, it whistles loudly, and when we were kids, we all maintained a safe distance from it. Pressure cooker is the only thing in the kitchen that sounds like it has an attitude. But have you ever thought, why does it cook food faster than a normal pot? What is happening inside it? And why does it whistle? In India, whistle is not a sound, it's a unit of time. Today we are going to understand the science behind the pressure cooker. And to understand this, we need to understand three simple concepts: boiling point, pressure, and steam. Don't worry, this is not a boring science lecture. This is kitchen science. If physics was taught in the kitchen, everyone would become a scientist. In a normal pot, you put water, rice, or dal and start heating. After some time, water starts boiling. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at normal atmospheric pressure. Here is the important point. In all open pot, water cannot get hotter than 100 degrees Celsius. Even if you increase the flame, even if you wait longer, temperature will stay around 100 degrees Celsius only. So, your food is cooking at 100 degrees Celsius. And cooking is basically dal becoming soft, rice absorbing water, potato becomes soft. And this happens faster at higher temperature. So, higher temperature means faster cooking. But in a normal pot, temperature stuck, cooking slow. Normal pot cooking is like government office work. It will happen, but it will take time. Now, let's look at the pressure cooker. In a pressure cooker, lid is closed. Steam cannot escape. Steam builds up. Pressure increases. And this is where the real science starts. When pressure increases, boiling point increases. This means water will not boil at 100 degrees Celsius anymore. Inside the pressure cooker, water can boil at around 120 degrees Celsius. That means your food is cooking at 120 degrees Celsius instead of 100 degrees Celsius. That's a big difference. The pressure cooker is basically giving food a 20-degree extra motivation. And because of higher temperature, dal cooks faster, rice cooks faster, potato cooks faster. Pressure cooker is like a strict teacher. Work happens faster when pressure is there. Food does not cook faster because of pressure. Food cooks faster because pressure increases the boiling point, which increases the temperature. This is the main science. So, technically, the cooker is not pressuring the food, it is pressuring the water. Now, let's talk about the whistle. Many people think whistle means food is cooked. No, whistle means pressure has reached the limit. Inside the cooker, steam increases, pressure increases, temperature increases. When pressure becomes too much, valve opens, steam escapes, whistle sound comes. So, whistle is actually a safety valve. Whistle is the cooker saying, I am under pressure, let me scream a little. We also whistle under pressure, but ours is called stress. And that's why we say 2 whistles for rice, 3 whistles for dal, 5 whistles when you forgot to soak chana. Indian cooking is the only place where we measure food in whistles. Let's make it very simple. Normal pot, boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, temperature is lower, cooking is slow. But in pressure cooker, boiling point is 120 degrees Celsius, temperature is higher, cooking is fast. Higher temperature means molecules move faster, collide faster, and cook food faster. Pressure cooker is not magic, it is just high temperature cooking. Pressure cooker is basically a time machine for dal and rice. This is also why cooking is slow on mountains, because on mountains atmospheric pressure is low, boiling point is less than 100 degrees Celsius. Food cooks slower. So, low pressure, low boiling point, slow cooking. High pressure, high boiling point, fast cooking. On mountains, even Maggie takes emotional time to cook. So, next time when the pressure cooker whistles in your kitchen, remember what is happening. Pressure increasing, boiling point is increasing, temperature is increasing, food is cooking faster. All this inside one small container. The pressure cooker is a perfect example of how science makes life easier. In real life, pressure makes humans slow, but in cooking, pressure makes food fast. If pressure worked on humans like it works on dal, we would all be successful in 3 whistles. Pressure cooker teaches us one thing: the right amount of pressure is useful. If you learned something today, next time when someone asks you why a pressure cooker cooks faster, don't say because everyone uses it. Say because increasing pressure increases the boiling point of water, which increases cooking temperature and cooks food faster. If you like the video where we explain real life science in a simple and fun way, then like the video, share it, and subscribe to your channel Nature in Focus. Because here we don't just cook food in the kitchen, we cook science. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.